To begin, open the X app on your phone. Tap on your account icon from the top left corner. A menu list will appear. Go to Settings and Support. Then select Settings and Privacy. Now go to Privacy and Safety. Then find the option Discoverability and Contacts. Tap on it. In the Discoverability section, the first option you will see is Let others find you by your email. If you prefer not to be found using your email address, simply toggle this option off if it's currently enabled. The second option you will see is Let others find you by your phone. If you want to be found using your phone number, you can enable this setting. If you would rather not be found through your phone number, you can disable it. So in this way, you can change your discoverability settings on X.